course, good morning everyone. I'm happy to be here and it's really nice to see some familiar faces. Today we have very refreshing news where we have the Office of the Vice President has already received the annual audit report for 2024. And I know that all of you are very eager to hear what is contained in this document. This audit was done in accordance with the international standards of supreme audit institutions, and it covers the accounts and operations of the Office of the Vice President curriculum year 2024. And of course, as in the last 2 years, 2022 and 2023, the Commission on Audit again gave an unmodified audit opinion on the fairness of presentation of the OVP's financial statements as of December 31, 2024.
Whether I'm pro Sara or not, I cannot, I have to listen to the evidence that will be presented by them. Of course, I have some biases. I think that it is a witch hunt because they want to remove her from public service para yung iba makaupo at yung iba ay mawawalan ng kandidato na kalaban pagdating sa halalan ng 2028.
Witch hunt is out of the question here. You talk about witch hunt kung walang basehan. Pwede yung siguro dun sa mga ginawa nila sa akin, the past administration, kinasuhan ako ng mga trumped up bogus charges. Yun, yung witch hunt, kangaroo hearing. It's really unfortunate. It's an insult to the House as the initiator of the impeachment process. Also an insult to the various groups that filed those first 3 impeachment complaints bago nag-adopt diretso yung more than 1/3 of the members of the House. Pero those, as far as I know, those complainants in the 3 impeachment complaints filed, kahit hindi nga ito na-refer sa Justice Committee, pero makikita natin na seryoso talaga yung mga grounds, may mga batayan, yung mga complaints na yon. And then they will accuse us of a witch hunt. That's so unfair.
Hunt for the truth. You have to hunt for accountability. You have to hunt for transparency. So, very important po yung proseso ng impeachment. I'm quite certain in the last Congress, talagang nakita nung pong dating kongresista at mga kasalukuyang kongresista na meron pong batayan para itulak, isulong, i-approve, ipadala sa Senado yung pong impeachment ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Nakita naman mo natin yung mga pangalan, nakita mo natin si Erwis Piatos, nakita mo natin lahat ng makakaibang pangalan na hindi mo nag-exist sa ating pong Philippine Statistics Office. Walang birth certificate, walang marriage certificate, walang death certificate. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung batayan po na which of course, we respect his position on the matter. Obviously, that's, I don't know, there is a call for neutrality, di ba? As Senator Judges. So, I'm not quite certain on how it would play into that. Pero, again, obviously, the position of the House would be for the Senate to proceed with the impeachment trial in the soonest time. Malinaw po yung rules ng Senate, malinaw po yung Constitution, malinaw po na hindi po pwede na meron po motion to dismiss na po. Ang gagawin po ng mga senador pagka nag-continue sa Senate Impeachment Court under the president.
But I think we have to be very frank na there's nothing that the Philippine government can do today to bring the former president back home. Kasi talagang International Criminal Court na po yung magpapasya kung makakauwi ba o hindi ang dating Pangulo. And to be very clear, meron pong mapatayan. Bakit nasa International Criminal Court, si dating Pangulo Rodrigo Duterte is being made to answer for extrajudicial killings under the Duterte drug war. So, mabigat po ang aparatang yun. So, of course, they're free, obviously, to do a Senate resolution. But we have to be very frank. It is not within the power of the Philippine government to send the former president back.
It's very unbecoming of a senator judge in an impeachment trial to say that the impeachment complaint and the trial is a witch hunt. Hindi dapat nanggagaling yon sa isang senator judge who are expected to receive the evidence with impartiality and to treat the impeachment as a constitutional process. Sana hindi na maulit yon. We should limit what we say to the public, especially how we prejudge the impeachment as well as the coming evidence during the trial. Maybe let's limit our statements to how the process should go about during the trial and not on the substance, especially our position with regard to the impeachment and the articles of impeachment. Let's wait for the evidence and let's wait their decision instead of calling it a witch hunt. Hindi maiwasan na ma-interpret ang sinasabi nila as telegraphing a dismissal early on before the trial will start. I'm so glad that we filed a very good, well-written and authoritative reply para makita kung gaano katatag yung kaso at sana mailatag natin sa publiko. Every Filipino should watch this impeachment, bantayan natin ito kasi para ito sa taong bayan.
Hindi naman ang nangyayari sa impeachment, walang witch hunt na nangyayari. In fact, ang nangyayari ay gusto natin makuha yung Wicked Witch of the South na kung saan yung kanyang pagtatakbo ng confidential funds na ayaw niya nga sagutin yung mga tanong natin. Ngayon, dinudulo natin sa impeachment trial para doon tayo magkaalaman. So, ang panawagan natin sa Senado, tama na yung delaying tactics na yan. Simulan na natin yung impeachment trial, simulan na natin yung paglilitis para malaman natin kung saan napunta ang pera ng taong bayan.
Witch hunt? Sino tinatawag niyang witch? Bad yan, ha?
Sabi niya po, tinawag niya yung impeachment efforts na witch hunt. Ang sabi niya po kasi it is aimed at removing Vice President Duterte from the 2028 race dahil po yung survey lead. Ang sabi pa nga po niya ay they want to remove her from public service para yung iba makaupo, mawawala ng kandidato na kalaban pagdating sa halalan ng 2028. At natanong rin po ito kay Vice President Duterte sa The Hague. Ito lang po kasi nandun po siya at nag-agree nga po siya na ito ay isang witch hunt. Ano po ang reaksyon ng Palace?
Unang-una wala po tayong kinalaman sa anumang mangyayari sa impeachment trial. Pero bilang isang Senator Judge, mas maganda po, tama po yung dating sinabi ni Senator Chis Escudero na umiwas sa ganitong mga klaseng mga pananaw. Dahil minsan nakikita kung saan sila kumikiling. Unang-una, witch hunt ang sinasabi nila tungkol sa impeachment trial ni hindi pa nga po nakakapag-start ng trial. So parang isang judge na nagsabing hindi na siya guilty habang hindi pa dinidinig ang anumang ebidensya.
So kung may mga ganun po ba, dapat po bang mag-inhibit na yung mga senator judges na may kinikilingan?
Hindi dapat mag-inhibit. Pakita na lang nila sa tao kung paano sila kumilos at gumalaw para sa taong bayan.
Spokesperson despite the controversies na hinaharap ng VP Sara and her office?
I believe in the Vice President and I see myself in her kasi she never says die. Ako din never say die. So kahit anong harapin niya, kaya niya yan. I'm sure she has also, like me, battled many storms in her life. And you see her still standing, still strong. So I believe po in her, and of course, she is a direct extension of her father, whom I served for the full 6-year term. Kaya gusto ko po siyang matulungan.